What if your next great love isn't hiding across the world but waiting right in your backyard? Meet Hinge, the dating app designed to stop endless swiping and start meaningful connections. Hinge isn't just another dating app, it's built around prompts, icebreakers, and real conversation starters. No generic profiles plastered with cliches. Every user answers thoughtful questions, so you can see someone's personality before you even message. You choose prompts like two truths and a lie or my most useless skill, and answer them. Those answers appear on your profile and let you stand out. You don't rely solely on photos, you have content that sparks discussion. When someone catches your eye, you can like a specific prompt or photo that forces you to say why you're interested. If they like you back, a match is born, and you can start chatting. No awkward intro lines needed, your conversation is already half written. Hinge includes filters for deal breakers, distance, age, whether you want kids' lifestyle habits, and with features like most compatible, the app shows who's likely a good fit based on your activity. It pushes quality over quantity. Hinge promises designed to be deleted. The goal isn't endless matches, it's a connection you might actually want to pursue. So ditch the swipe marathon, try dating that's intentional, not viral. Hinge, real talk, real people, real chances.